In today's video, I'm going to show you how to Chromecast from your PC in just a few simple steps. If you want to cast your screen or browser tabs to a bigger display, this is a quick and easy way to do it. Whether you're sharing a presentation, watching videos, or just want a larger view of what's on your computer, Chromecast makes the process really convenient. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is make sure your PC and your Chromecast device are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important because if they're not on the same network, your computer won't be able to find the Chromecast device. So before you start, quickly check your Wi-Fi connection on both devices and make sure everything matches. Once that's done, open the Google Chrome browser on your PC. Chromecast works directly through Chrome, so this is the browser you want to use for the process. After Chrome opens, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional browser options and settings. From the menu, look for the Cast option. In some versions of Chrome, you may also see it under Save and Share, so if you don't notice it right away, check there as well. Once you click Cast, Chrome will start scanning for available devices on your network. After a moment, you should see your Chromecast device appear in the list. Select your Chromecast from the available options, and Chrome will begin connecting. If prompted, choose what you want to cast. You may be able to cast a tab, your entire desktop, or a file depending on what you're trying to share. As soon as the connection is made, your PC content will appear on the TV or display connected to Chromecast. From here, you can continue browsing, play videos, or present content from your computer, while it shows up on the larger screen. If you want to stop casting, just go back into the Chrome menu and click Cast again, then disconnect from the device. And that's how you Chromecast from your PC using Google Chrome. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and only takes a few clicks once both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.